So Paul, what are you working on?
Warehouse supervisor cannot seem to print out their report to financial services.
What do you mean?
He does not like how it prints. It used to print on the large green bar printer, but the printer was broke, so I copy-pasted the code so it would print to HTML. He sees his report in Internet Explorer.
You wrote it as a web application?
Yes, I thought it would be neat.
The hardware guys fixed that printer last week. You should be able to re-enable that report.
Well, no. I deleted the source code file and the file wasn't in source control. Sorry.
Never mind that. The green bar printer is getting too expensive to maintain anyway. Can the supervisor see the data in Internet Explorer?
Yes. Well, sort of. Some of the column data wraps a lot, but he can see most of it.
That's good enough. If he can't see the data, he can do his job. Have you fixed that bug in your application?
Bug? What bug?
Users told me you refuse to fix the bugs in your application.
What bugs are you talking about?
The grid columns are not wide enough.
Which ones?
Probably the description.
Some descriptions are over 255 characters. If they cannot see all the text, users can easily resize the column.
That is the problem. You cannot force users to do that. The application must be fixed.
Fixed? I do not understand what needs to be fixed. Users can see all the text for the majority of descriptions. For the few items, it should not be a big deal to scroll one column. I even persist the grid settings so if the user changes the width, the grid looks the same the next time the application is started.
Users should not be forced to use their mouse to do their job, and your application should be smart enough to show them all the data they need.
The grid already has 35 columns of data and they have to scroll anyway to see that description. Users can move columns around, change width, sort order, and everything is saved per user.
You do not get it. Customer satisfaction is the most important feature and our customers are not satisfied. You need to fix your application.
Users have not told me what they want me to fix. If the column is too wide, they cannot see the rest of the data and now complaining the description is not wide enough? Left or right, I do not care. They need to pick a direction.
Users are not trained to make programming decisions. That is your job.
Wait a second. Paul wrote a new, unapproved web application users did not ask for, has none of the previous application's functionality, deleted source code, did not use source control. Users cannot even see all the data because of a fixable hardware problem, and that is okay.
Paul is a problem solver.
Holy crap. What kinds of problems do you think users will have later?
It is not a problem now. We will have time to address features later. Now you need to stop causing problems and start fixing them.